Pick it up in the air. It's so much funnier on camera.
She's like, screw you guys.
Chrissy Melanie.
Jeez, Melanie. Oh, she's kind of torn it apart there. I hope you didn't need this.
It was in my sweatpants.
Okay, good. Because...
Yeah, I don't really care. Pick it up in the air. Make her jump for it.
I tried. Oh, come on.
She's so cute. Look at her, her little belly.
Jeez,
Oh,
Melanie.
she wants it.
You need your nails clipped.
Yeah, for real. She needs to go to that. It's stuck on her nail.
No. Okay.
She's still playful and she's like 4 years old.
I could have drug her there.
I saw that. Maybe she's done jumping. Maybe she only jumps for me. Here, come try and